YouTube thumbnails are some of the worst, most annoying, grueling tasks that you have to do whenever you upload a video. As someone that's been doing YouTube now for like a year or so, you have to spend 2 hours making the video, 2 hours, 3 hours editing it, and then another hour doing the thumbnails, especially if you're doing the A/B test. So in this short video, sub 5 minutes, I'm going to show you the tool that I use that helps you use AI to make banger thumbnails for really, really cheap and really, really quickly. I've been using them for all of my videos. It's actually really, really fun and really easy to do this, and it saves me a lot of time. So we're going to be using something called Thumb.io. Again, it's not some big AI Google type B company. It's a pretty small company that I've been following for a long time now. Basically, what they do is provide templates that look like this and all this other random stuff on here that you can just put your face onto and your information onto with AI, and it helps just make your thumbnail for you. It's so easy, and it's so much more easier to do than Canva and blah, blah, blah. Literally saves my life whenever I make a video. You can see here, I literally tweeted about them the other day for free. Again, not sponsored. And they retweeted this because they're like a grassroots type B company, which is why I love making videos like this too. So you can see here that I make tech videos, right? We make AI type B tech videos, and all of these are really, really good templates that you can use for tech videos. I use this all the time. So what we're going to do right now is showcase that I do not have some like, $1 trillion blah, blah, blah plan. I'll show you right here. Yeah, right here. I pay $20 a month. So for $20 a month, or for the cheaper one, or for free if you just want to test it out, you can do this. So here are all the thumbnails I've made before. You can see I make myself a little muscular. I don't know why, but AI really makes me look like a scrawny Indian. I really don't know why it hates me, but it always ends up making me look like some skinny guy. It sucks because I'm not. But all right, so let's make the thumbnail for this video right now. So we can go through here and find, I don't know, sports, travel, tools, blog. I make tech videos, so we'll make a thumbnail for a tech video. I don't think this is appropriate for this one, so we won't use that one. But let's go to, I don't know, who knows, right? Let's do this one. Okay, so we're gonna press start editing here. And then here, all I did is just paste a bunch of screenshots of my face from a bunch of random different videos. So let's use, I don't know, let's use this one. I look good at that one. All right, let's use that one then. And then I'll give it a second to update here, but you can see here the main editing that we're using is Google Flash 2.5. Google Flash 2.5 is basically like Google's Gemini model, which is really good at image and video generation. So this is powered by a really good model. And wow, they always make me look so Indian. I don't know why, but don't worry. The face is always the hardest part. Everything else is gonna kind of lock in here, but the face we're gonna fix later. And they always make me so fat. Why do they always make me look like a fat Indian all the time? Good Lord. So we're gonna say something really funny here. Make me less fat, bro, and make me more muscular. So the way that you edit this is just by prompting. We're just going to tell it what to do, and it'll do that. And it knows not to like make it this, less fat or anything like that. It'll just make this guy, me, less fat. But yeah, this isn't a problem with like Thumb.io. It's a problem with like Google Flash. It's just like how it operates. Okay, something got cooked here. I have no idea what went wrong here, but that's fine. It's actually a good way to showcase this here. So if you do make a mistake and you want to go back to something, there's branches here. So this is our first one. This is the one where they made me super fat. And this is the one where something got messed up. Let's go back to this one where this is still here. Let's press this branch button, and we'll create a branch here. And then we'll go back to editing this exact one. But maybe I gave it like a bad thing. So let's upgrade this to 3.1 instead of 2.5. And let's say something like, make the person in this less fat, more muscular. God, I hope that works. Okay, and not bad. Again, it took the shirt from the screenshot that I gave it, so that's amazing. It did make me more muscular, so let's stick to Google Flash 3.1 here. But I just wanted to show that there's other models here in case you don't want to spend too much, because like each model costs more money, as we know. So I'm going to switch to Google Pro 3 here just to see how good that one is too. So we're going to do something like change idea to app to make bang thumbnails. There you go. Let's give it like 2 seconds here. And again, ignore the face for now. Unless you really do truly believe that that does look like me, then I hate you. But we're going to change the face instead. That's like the biggest problem we run into. And like 2 seconds later, you can see here, it changed it to make banger thumbnails. We'll change the next line here. We'll say change in 52 minutes to using AI. And then later, we're going to change this as well. So let's get the actual, this thing, beep. Let's steal this. And then next one we're going to do, which you can do in a follow-up instead. Let's take this and let's say change codex icon logo to this attached one. And then I'll go add it to the queue. So it'll do one by one here. And at this point in time, if what we're doing is already a banger and you think that it's a good use of your time watching this video, you should hit the subscribe button. We're trying to hit 50,000 subs by the end of 2026, and we are only at 2,000. Got a long way to go here. Okay, cool. Using AI, that worked. Here it says idea browser. We can change what's on the phone as well, which we'll showcase with this thing too. And look at that, it worked. So it changed from right here, the previous version, where it says codex here on the back, And now it says thumb.io. So we can actually add a text here if you want. We can say thumb.io, but I'll probably say it in the caption, so we don't really need to do that. There's one last thing here on the phone. It says idea browser. On the phone, on the counter, make it only say thumb.io. That should work. Sometimes it's not that specific because it's like a pretty small part. It depends on how good Google Pro 3 is here, but that should work. While this is loading, you can actually add shortcuts here. So let's go to shortcuts. There's a bunch of random stuff that you can add here that I don't really use, but I probably should be using. The most important one is, of course, insert me. That's why I have that pin. But you can do A/B testing, which is what we're going to show as well. That's what I do for every single one of my videos. And then clickbait is something to just make it look vibrant and stuff like that. Watermark remover, if you have some sort of watermark that's there that you don't want there. There's a bunch of random stuff that you should add here. Roblox is actually really, really funny, but we won't do that one. But all right, there you go. Now it says thumb.io and this. So this is, again, much better than what you would have if you had zero idea what to do. But obviously, I look like a fat chud. My tits are on the table, and this does not look like me. So let's change that. Why are my tits on the table, bro? Make me muscular and not fat, including the body, not just the arms. AI hates me, bro. I don't know why. All right, I guess the tits are non-removable. I guess I'm just like a chunky, muscular guy, so we'll just keep this. So let's press download here, and let's get the PNG going. Again, for the social format, we're just gonna keep it normal. Let's do export. There. Save it, and then let's open up Canva real quick. Okay, so one last thing we're gonna fix is on Canva. Let's go here to upload. Let's find our guy. Where's my guy? Here's my guy. And then we're gonna edit image. Okay, then from here, let's put a random screenshot of my face on here. Let's do background remover. And then let's press edit. And then let's do magic eraser right here. People, oh my God. Why am I so pixelated? What the hell happened to my face? What the hell happened to my face? Okay. I don't know what just happened here. Okay, so it's working. All right, let's go back to magic eraser and then just take out every single part that isn't your head. Beep, beep, beep. I'm gonna do this very ugly here. You can definitely do this much better if you take some time, but for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna do it as like lazily as possible. And then here's just my face, and then bah, not bad. It's not a bad replacement, right? Let's put this a little smaller. Hold on. Whoa. Let's make this corner a little bigger. And let's zoom out a little. Again, when you zoom out a little, when you're looking at it like a thumbnail, it doesn't look that bad. This is usually the frame that you're seeing it from. But you can see here, we've now created, in like 5 minutes, a much better version of your thumbnails that you've had already. And again, this could be much, much better. You can spend some more time on this. You can actually use like Facetune if you want to like put your face on there and make it look really, really realistic. But I'm not going to do that for the sake of this video. Let's just zoom out a little. This is usually what you're going to see on YouTube. Not bad. It's really not that bad. Right now, you don't really see the tits on the bottom, so that's great. And like the face, you can tell it's like, this is not the regular face. That's fine. But it's just an example. Get the actual face and do it much better. It'll look much better as well. Well, yeah, I hope this helps. So this is a tool that I use every single day. This is not a sponsored video. That should help make your thumbnails go from 0 to 100 real quick. And not just that, but all of your favorite guys are using AI to do some sort of thumbnail creation. Even if you look at Mr. Beast, you can take a Mr. Beast screenshot and just add your face onto there. Obviously, don't steal the whole thing. And you can make it look much better than it already looks right now. So I hope this video helped, and if it did, you have to subscribe, and if you don't subscribe, I'm gonna be homeless and my wife's gonna leave me.